Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to make transparent background on Adobe Express, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in Adobe Express, as you can see, we have a couple of options here. So here you can see there are write something that is create anything quickly and easily. So if you want to make a transparent background, you just need to go over that place photo. Once you select this one, then you will get some couple of quick actions. So here we will find out an options called background remove. So here you just need to click over that tools, and here easily remove the background for your tools. So how the we can make the transparent. So when the background will be removed, that means we make a transparent image. So here I will just place an image over that place, and let's see, the background will be within a second will be removed. And here you can see that our background already been removed, and here we can add any background also here. So we already make it transparent. Here you can see it already selected. So when we feel that it is quite good, we can open an editor if you want to edit, or you can just download it. It's totally an easy process. So I hope you understand how you can make an image transparent. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.